Bring it back.
Good afternoon and welcome to the WPNN. My name is Serenity.
And my name is Maya. It's a brilliant day to be a Panther.
Today in sporting news, our girls tennis will travel to Palm Bay High today and their matches will begin at 4 p.m.
Our boys varsity baseball team will compete against Bayside today, here at home, beginning at 6 p.m.
The girls JV softball team will compete in Space Coast today at 5:15.
Following this JV game, the girls varsity team will also compete against Space Coast, and this game will be at 7:15 p.m.
Our boys tennis team will also play Palm Bay High here at home and matches will begin at 4 p.m.
The JV and varsity girls softball teams will travel to Astronaut High and games here at 5:15 and 7:15.
The JV baseball team will travel to play Sebastian River this afternoon and their game is at 6 p.m.
Lots of luck to our Panther sports team today.
Attention, seniors who have not met the reading or math graduation requirement should register now for the SAT on March 9th and SAT on April 13th ACT.
If you are here on free reduced lunch, see Mr. Mir for ACT waivers. SAT waivers should already be in your College Board account.
The SAT is now digital. That means you can bring your own device. After registering, download the Blue Book app and start exploring. The week before your test, they'll email you a reminder to complete a short exam setup in the app before you can print your admission.
Seniors taking these tests, make sure you are using Khan Academy SAT Prep so you can earn concordant scores.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!